Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ardent Scream, a highly sought-after talent in Deepwoken. To begin your journey, you'll need to meet specific character requirements. Ensure your character has at least 40 points in willpower and 15 points in strength. These foundational stats are crucial before you can even think about unleashing this potent ability. Once these are in place, you're ready for the next step. The next critical step is Awakening Murmur, Ardent, which is tied to a challenging boss fight. You must locate and defeat the Dread Serpent, often called Kaido, found within the Perilous Void Sea. This battle can be quite lengthy, sometimes taking around 13 minutes, so come prepared. Stock up on plenty of food and potions to sustain yourself through this intense confrontation. Once Ardent is awakened and your stats are aligned, it's time to secure the Ardent Scream talent itself. This talent is quite common, making it relatively accessible. You can often acquire it through a talent hand, which provides new abilities. If luck isn't on your side, consider visiting a Shrine of Chance to re-roll your available talents until Ardent Scream appears. Now, let's talk about the incredible power Ardent Scream brings to your arsenal. When activated, it unleashes a devastating roar that stuns all nearby enemies for a short duration. Furthermore, affected foes will take 25% more posture damage for 10 seconds, amplifying your offensive capabilities. Be mindful, however, as using this potent scream will completely drain your entire ether bar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.